the channel. In this video, we're gonna be going over a combination for if your partner's trying to get away from you. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit subscribe so you can get all the videos. If you like what you see, give me the thumbs up. So a general kind of thing we see is the 1, 2, 3 low kick. People do this all the time. They're practicing. It's a good drill. It's one of my favorite combinations. You can learn a lot from it. But a lot of times you're attacking someone, they're not gonna stay still for you. They're gonna be moving back. So what we're gonna do with this is I'm gonna throw my 1, and as I throw my 2, Casey starts to move back a little bit. Now I'm gonna step in with another 1, and as I get here, I'm gonna be pushing his gloves up a little bit. Then here, my right leg's gonna come up and into the ribs, just underneath. So it's kind of a cross between a push kick and an oblique kick. You see the oblique kick a lot, you know, like John Jones going to the leg here. I'm gonna keep my toes pointed out, lift up my knee, and I'm attacking straight to the body. The key with this is to get that long range attack after the shorter range ones, and I'm trying to get Casey's hands to stay up high so he doesn't see it coming, and I get underneath that elbow. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, as he starts to move back, I step in again, 1, back leg comes up, knee comes up, and I'm sneaking in underneath that elbow. If I don't do that properly and I just kind of touch his gloves, he sees that kick coming, he can bring his elbow down, and I'm gonna get an elbow into my foot, which I don't want. So I gotta make sure that second jab, my third punch, gets his hands up. I'm gonna be pushing up. I don't care if it lands as a jab to do damage, I'm trying to get his hands up so I can get underneath. So again, I go 1, 2, up and inside. Now it's Casey's turn, we're going nice and slow. So 1, 2, if you're trained part, I'm gonna step back so you can actually do this properly. If I don't step back, he's gonna be jammed up and he won't be able to use that technique. He could use a different one, but for this combination, I need to step back a little bit to keep it realistic. So again, 1, 2, steps back and then come in underneath. Good. And that's a nice simple combination for your partners trying to get away from you as you're throwing head shots.